good, AR Squad? Thank y'all so much for tuning back in with your girl. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post bell notification so you do not miss anytime I post a new video. AR Squad, Happy New Year, y'all. I got Stella rocking with me. I got my little green on. Green to me speaks success, wealth, and everything else. Y'all like that? All right, let's go ahead and serve a toast. Oh, what am I serving toast? We serving a toast because it's Happy New Year, but we have a request to do Sounds of Blackness. Hold on, change is coming. Let's go ahead and serve a toast to them. Now, the last Sounds of Blackness song, honey, had us in a chokehold, honey. Optimistic. I'll be playing it out like it's nobody's business. So hopefully this one gives me that same type of, attitude with it. Let's go ahead and let's get right into this video. All right. Come on now, Sounds of Blackness. I need everything black. All right. Come on now, Harmony. They have a very churchy feel, by the way. I want to point that out. Like a choir. You know what I'm saying? We are gonna make it on. Come on now. Woo! Why do they sound like Zapp and Roger? Does Zapp and Roger have anything to do with this? Is that I'm sorry. I'm not really good with like some like, is that Zapp and Roger or is like, am I tripping? Yeah. Come on now. Stop playing. Woo! Just maybe just off this alone. Absolutely. Come on now. Change is coming. Come on now. Hey, get it. Get it. Woo! Get it. Get it. They getting it. Come on. Okay. He said a man stepped to him asking him, how can he be so grateful? How can he not be crying and, doing the most with, And he said when he looked around, he realized everything gonna be okay. I know that's right. Hold on, change is coming. I think this is a perfect song to do for today. I love how God be looking out. I feel like God has like a lot to do with how we like the songs I react to. Like y'all send in the request, but baby, when I space them out, this happens to be on there on New Year's Day. Hold on, change is coming with all the wickedness and changes of this world. This is the perfect song to hold on to because it's a lot of people out here hopeless. It's a lot of people out here like just trying to get to that success story, but don't want to go through the progress. You know what I'm saying? The process. I said the progress. The process of getting there. Life be lifing. Like we all gonna have struggles. We all go through hurt, disappointment, successes, but you have to take everything as it's building, like a building block, right? I love this. Yeah. Come on. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, get it. Yeah. What is that? Come on. That is Zapp and Roger. I love it. Come on. Hey. I know that's right. He said if it don't work out, you gotta hold on. Change is coming. Come on. Come on now. Woo. Come on now. Woo-hoo. Ooh, yes, sir. Come on, get it. See, baby, the thing about it is these songs are missing meaning. This here is timeless. This is a timeless classic, okay? Like, I'm listening to it. The more I listen to this, we need more of this. And you know what? They try so hard to take this off the airways because they do not want to push this. But baby, why the thing about it is while they dancing and doing all that with the what's that? Aluminum foil. Baby, listen to the words. Like this here is what we need to have in our like everyday. Like around like election time, around like New Year's. Like this stuff needs to be played nonstop. Facts, for real. Especially for this generation. Yeah. I absolutely love this. Hold on, change is coming. Don't worry about a thing. That was 97. Okay. I bet when this dropped, and like, think about this. And some of y'all have lived this. When this dropped and you was really going through a hard time, baby, the way I would have broke down to my knees, that's it. That's that. Anyways, AR Squad, if y'all like my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, like, comment, subscribe, share with your mama, your daddy, your sister, your brother, your grandma, and your grandpa. Bring them all to the AR Squad because we lit over here. Anyways, AR Squad, stay beautiful, stay sweet, and keep your business out the street. Bye, y'all.